Hello guys, today we will learn about multiplexer. Multiplexer is a combinational circuit which has a number of input lines and single output, which is written here. A multiplexer can use addressing bits to select one of several input bits to be the output. That means selector chooses a single data input and passes it to the multiplexer. That means it just select one output at a time. For selecting these inputs, we require some control lines. The relationship between control lines and the input lines is given by m equals to 2 raised to the power n, where m is the number of input lines and n is the number of control inputs. Beside this, there is another input pin which is enable input. Enable input is used to enable the multiplexer and disable it. That means when we connect a logic 1 at this input, then the multiplexer is switched on, and when we provide a 0 logic at this input, the multiplexer will be off. Classification of multiplexer: depending upon the number of input lines, the multiplexer may be 2:1, 4:1, 8:1, and so on. Now we will take an example of 4:1 multiplexer. 4:1 multiplexer, as the name indicates, is a multiplexer which has 4 inputs, I0, I1, I2, I3, and 2 select lines S0 and S1 as from the relationship, that is 2 raised to the power n. Now we will see the characteristic equations for this multiplexer. This is the characteristic equation for multiplexer. As we have 2 control lines, there will be 4 possible combinations from 0, 0 to 1, 1. When we will provide this 0, 0, then the selector will select the first input as a output. When we will provide this 1, 1, then the selector will select the last input, that is I3, as a output. From this characteristic table, we can write the Boolean equation, which is y equals to E into I0 S1 dash S0 dash plus E into I1 S1 dash S0 plus E into I2 S1 S0 dash plus E into I3 S1 S0, where E represent the enable input and S and I signifies to control inputs and input lines. From this Boolean equation, we can draw the logic diagram using the basic logic gate. This is the basic logic diagram of 4:1 multiplexer. Now we will discuss about the application of multiplexer. We can implement any function using the multiplexer. Suppose we have taken an example that in which we have given a function f which we have to implement using 16:1 multiplexer. What we will do, that we will just connect those inputs which are present in this function with a logic high, and we will provide a logic 0 to those which are not present in the function. In the functions, there are some don't care conditions. The don't care conditions may be either 0 or 1. So now we can conclude this, that multiplexer selects one of its 2 raised to the power n input lines to be the output. The multiplexers can be used to implement arbitrary functions, and we have to use truth tables and Boolean algebra to analyze these circuits.